Hello friends, welcome to my new video. I hope you are doing well. My name is Roland Etuke, and I have been working on this project for some time now. And today I want to share with you how to create two things on the Toposolid. So the first thing I want to share with you is how to create this kind of hole for the swimming pool. This is for the swimming pool. This kind of hole. I will show you how to create the hole. And I also want to share with you how to create a parking like this, a parking or a road. This is the two things I want to share with you today. I continue to work on the project. My goal is to manage the whole project so that the house can be built. But from time to time, I will share with you some small things, how to do this or how to do that. So let's jump and start our tax. The tax I want to share with you today. So the first thing is how to create this kind of hole. And to do this is very simple. The Toposolid is already, the geography is already created. And what we will do, we have our geographic here. What we will do is to use the function cut. This function you see here. This function I'm just showing you here. So we will click on it. I need to save the project first because I did some modifications, so I will save the project. And now we have our function that is active. So the thing we will do next is to choose the geographic we want to cut. We will click on it, and now we have all these functions that are open. So we will choose the line we want to use. We can use this line, or the possibility we have here. So we will choose this one. And now the next thing we will do is to give some geometric figure we want to use here. So we will just give like this. We have this, and we click OK. We can, if you want to redesign, like give some dimension we want, we can give it here. We can just click on it and give maybe 14, enter. We can do the same here, give like 6, enter. And now that we did it, the next thing we will do is to confirm. We will confirm with this function. We click on OK, and the program is asking if the program is asking to delete the exemplar we just created. I will just confirm with yes. And now we have this area we just created. The next thing we will do is to choose the area we just created, and we choose it like this. And now we have the possibility to change. Maybe if we want to do the swimming pool, we want to have water inside, we can just come here and choose the the material we want to use here. Like you can see, we have water, we have grass, we have everything we need here, even concrete. I mean, you can choose everything you want here. Another possibility is just to remove, if we want to work inside the hole. That means we want to create the concrete ceiling inside. We can just remove it. We can just remove the ground we have inside, and now we can work inside. And after, people who are building will bring water inside after finishing all bringing all the material, bringing all the equipment that the swimming pool need. They can you can fill it with water. So the next thing we will do is, if we didn't choose any material here, we can just decide to remove it, to remove this part of this part of the ground we just cut. So to do it, we'll just use this function like this. We click on remove, didn't remove. Let me choose it again. Just a moment, I will step out and choose it again. Now we choose it and we go to remove, delete, and now you see I have the place here is empty. Now the place is ready. Like you can see this one, I built some wall inside. Like you can see, I also have the ceiling, the concrete ceiling inside, so that the place is ready. It will be ready for to be filled with water, So that is the first thing I wanted to share with you. The next thing I will share with you is how to create the parking. Like you can see, this is the parking, or it can be the parking or maybe the road you want to create on your geographic area, on your ceiling. You can use the same method. So to create the parking or the road like this, what you will do is we go back, make it zoom it a little bit, and the next thing you will do is to choose the topographic again. We choose our geographic area again, and the next thing we will do now is to choose this function. We go to this function and we choose the function. This is in German, but I have to change it the language again so that you can be able to understand the name, or to choose the right function the day you will want to use it. But this is in German. I will take the time to change the language. So you choose this function, and now you are ready to create the road or the parking you want to create. So the next thing we will do is to choose the function you want to use. You can say, okay, we will use this one, and you will just go start like this. Give here, the next will be here. Let me go like this, so that the place can look a little bit like a parking and the road. And we will close it here and here. Now we will modify a little bit this place. I will choose something else. I will choose this one, give it like this. Yes, a little bit like this, and now we have it. The next thing we will do is to cut this area, this place here. We will cut it. So to cut it, we'll go out from the function. We are just inside. We go out, and we are out from the function. And the next thing we will do is to use this function here, so to cut the line that are crossing. We click on the function, we choose the line, and we also choose this, and you see this one just disappear. We will do the same here, the same thing here. We choose this one and we choose this one, and you see this one also disappear. And now we have the place like this one. If we are satisfied, we can continue, but I want to add something like this one. I will also give a road here to join the so now is okay. And If we are sure we are finished, we are done, everything is okay. Now we can come here at this place and choose the material. Now the material is open. We will just choose the material we want to have our parking or road to have. So what are we choosing? Let's just choose anything here. Let me take topography, this one. Okay, I will click OK. And now that I finish, what I will do is to confirm with the function we have here. I click on OK, and the program is showing the mistake. I think I know why we have this mistake. Let me remove it. I think it's because of this line. So I will just bring it a little bit. No, go out. I will bring it a little bit inside. I used to have this kind of mistake. So now that I finished it, let me try it again. I can also change. You see this this area we just created. We can modify. We can modify and have like how height or the top of the area we just created, but we cannot go on the 0. So we can give minus. We can give 0, 1 here for the road, so that we just have a little bit up of the normal area. So now that I finish it, I will just confirm here. I click OK, and we have a mistake again. I think I know why. It's because I didn't close this one. Let me do it. Oh, just remove it. These two line, and I will redesign this one again, and here after I finish, I'll do the same here, crossing these two line, so that we can have something like this. I think everything is now okay. Let me try it again. Now we have our product, we have what we want, and if we click by the side now, clicking like this, now you see the road and the parking we just created. Like you can see this one, this is what we just did. This is what we just did, and this is the hole we just created for the swimming pool. This one and this one. So friend, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day, have a nice week, and ciao.